All right, Dave Hall here with Restore Muscle Car, and the end of our Bandit Run 2019. We're actually going to do a recap and stuff on our week. This last week, basically, we started out in Dallas, Texas. I got Dave Holmes here from Canada. He's actually been going on the run since
2009 was my first.
2009. And how many miles do you have on your car as of today?
266,601.
Wow. So, mileage-wise, how long did you have to drive this year just to get to the start of the run?
2,000 miles.
2,000 miles.
Yeah.
Okay. And you started how many days before the run?
4 days. Took me 4 days to get to Dallas.
Wow. All right. Well, Dave, obviously being on going on the Bandit Run every year, do you use actually maps on your phone, or do you use actually a physical map?
A physical map.
Physical map.
Yeah.
And I think I've heard that you have quite the map that you've documented everything on.
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Can we take a look at that?
Absolutely.
You bet.
Hold it there.
So since you started on the Bandit Run, you've used this same map.
Yep.
And documented your route. Wow. And then color-coded everything down here as far as...
No, each of the different colors is each of the different runs.
So you live in Calgary?
In Calgary, Alberta. Yep.
Okay. And the as far as, obviously, you're driving a 40-plus-year-old car on these trips, and this year I think you actually had fuel injection added to your car for your trip.
That's right. Yep, I did. The very first time.
What kind of fuel injection was it that you used?
A Holly Edelbrack Sniper.
Yeah, nice. And did you like it?
So far, except for the gas mileage.
Okay. It didn't help much on the gas mileage?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
We'll get that worked on when I get home.
Do you still have the Turbo 350 transmission in the car?
Yeah.
Probably need to upgrade your transmission to a 200R or something like that.
Yeah.
That's what we did on Jim Rhymes' car, which he drove on the Bandit Run this year.
Oh, really?
And he was getting, I think, I want to say upwards of 17 to 18 miles to gallon, I think, roughly.
Yeah.
But I need to double check with him. I know he was going to get it all calculated and stuff really good. But this is really cool that you've actually documented all these routes throughout the year. I took a couple pictures of it here the other day, and I'll have Dylan get some more pictures so we can show everybody. But on the back of the car I drove, we have a map that we've been documenting all the stops and stuff we've been staying specifically for the Bandit Run, and it's starting to look very similar to yours.
Yeah. Well, I'm running out of colors.
Oh, I bet.
And getting awfully crowded up in the northwest part there because I tend to take the same routes to get home.
You bet. Well, it's sure, basically you've been stopping in here now, what, is this third or fourth year you've been able to stop back through here?
Oh, at least, yeah.
Or if not more. So we changed the oil, do some little knick-knack stuff to your car for you.
Yeah.
Like today we put some sail panel birds and a shaker decal and stuff on. We did a hood bird on it, was that 2 years ago?
Yep.
Yeah. And just, little maintenance and stuff. This year you had, with your fuel injection, I know you had a couple wiring issues and stuff that we had to deal with, which was minuscule and compared to a couple others with the transmission problems.
Yes, yeah. Once we found out, it was just a simple fix, but it was a pain to find out the actual issue.
Well, this is great. Well, we sure appreciate you being a part of our run every year, and
I look forward to it every year. It's my holiday for the year, and now I'll go home and stay home.
So this year, we started out in Dallas, Texas, and we had some fun times at the Dallas Motor Speedway and Gas Monkey Garage, and then we went up to Fort Smith for a couple of days there, and then on into Branson. We spent a couple of days in Branson and had some really neat sightseeing tours and stuff there. We had a dinner cruise out on the lake and stuff, and then on into Buckner, Missouri, just outside of Kansas City, where we had a parade and a picnic and a big blowout party at Wayne Alderson's place. The snowman with the snowman truck and trailer, and that was a lot of fun.
It was.
So,
it was wonderful.
Was there anything in particular that really stood out to you this year?
Oh, the doing the laps on the track. That's my favorite part of the whole thing.
Yeah.
And when we came down from that tabletop mountain.
Yeah.
On that zigzag thing down to Mena and.
From the Table Rock.
Yeah, Table Rock.
Top of the rock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That zigzaggy road.
Oh, that one. Oh, yeah. Yep.
That was a lot of fun too. We took that pretty fast.
The one in Arkansas?
Yeah.
Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yes, that was a blast.
Yeah. We had a lot of fun on
The
that.
little curvy road coming down the mountain.
Yeah, so that's fun. Car ran well, other than that one little issue, and it'll get. I'll have put on 62,000 miles for just my Bandit runs by the time I get home on this one.
Wow.
From this one. This one will be 4,800 miles by the time I get home on this one.
That's great. Well, we're looking forward to next year and the future events, and obviously always having you along and anything we can do to help out.
Yeah.
So, well, have a safe trip going home. You're going to spend a couple of days to get home now?
Yep. Yeah. I'd like to be able to get into Wyoming today.
All right.
If I can get into Wyoming, then I'm home easy by happy hour on Wednesday.
Happy hour on Wednesday. All right, buddy. Well, it's always a pleasure. Good to see you.
Yeah, you too. You take care of yourselves.
All right, you too.
We'll see ya. And goodbye. Are we done?